Welcome to Flourish Road YouTube channel, your go-to space for learning Python in a fun and practical way. In today's video, you will learn how to create beautiful, colorful tables right inside the terminal using the Rich library. This is perfect for developers who want their command line apps to look clean and professional. Let's jump in. Alright, let's start by installing the Rich library. But since I have installed it previously, I'm going to get requirements already satisfied. But here is the command rich. If you take a minute or two, as you can see, I get requirement already satisfied. Now the next thing to do now, I'm going to write the code first, then explain later. So I say from rich dot table imports table. Now I say from rich dot console imports console. Now I say console equals to console 2 round brackets. That is a method. Then I will say table equals to table. Now we'll give it a title user data. I'll say title equals to user data. Then I'll go ahead and say table dot add underscore column. Now you know what a column is, right? So column is vertical while rows are horizontal. So right now we're creating the vertical part of our table. So then I will say ID, then comma, then justify equals to rights. Then I say style equals to zone. Now say table again dot add underscore column. Then I will say name style is magenta. So now we see table that add column again. Age some age don't justify. Okay, justify equals to write a gem and then styles screen. Wow, that's just crazy. Okay, now I'm going to create the row as so table got add underscore row. We're saying 1. So instead of saying like this, let's say Naruto. Nothing. No, we'll say 15. Then table that adds the 2. I'll say Gojo. Say 15 too. And then table that adds 0. 3 Sun gear, so say sun. Lancel 17. And last thing now that we need to do is to say console that prints to the end. Now, so what we've done is the first thing we did was to import table and console, from which that table imports table, and from which that console imports console. Then we create a console instance and a table with a title. So here what we did is to create a console instance with this, and then we created a table with a title. Then the next thing we did is we then added columns and rows with different colors and justification, which is what we've done here. We've added our columns and we've added our rows. So our columns are vertical, that is, they go like this, like this, like this, while our rows are horizontal, they go like this, like this, like this. I hope you can see what I did with the mouse. Once you run the code, you will see a neatly formatted table in your terminal, complete with colors and borders. This is great for displaying data from scripts, APIs, or even dashboards, and it instantly makes your output more readable and professional. The next one we need to do is to clear this, and then I'm going to execute this. So we could do it now where I just do cd table, and I say python table.py, and you can see we have our user table, our neatly user data table. You can see the ID, the name, and the age, and then the ID is 123 Naruto, Gojo, and Son 15, 15, 17. So, and that is it. That is how you create colorful dynamic tables in Python using a rich library. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to Flourish Field, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss more coding gems like this. Keep exploring, keep coding, and remember, good happens when it creates.